There we go.
630-695. 630-695. And the Luna code, which if you're familiar with any Russian aeronautics, is also called the Moonwalker. It was a rover.
Right. It was a lunar rover. It actually spent the longest time on the moon of any rover. This is, we've had this watch before a long time ago. I mean, it's been quite a while, this particular execution. This is the first time we've had it with this beautiful brown strap that it's coming with. Just that supple leather brown strap.
It's like distressed.
Oh, it's so nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
It is so nice. Guys, this is going to go fast. We don't have a lot of time to talk about it. For those of you who know the Lunacode 2, amazing timepiece. The case work on this is so amazing. This is going to come with the 2 straps. It comes with the 6S30. But the big story on the Lunacode 2, as you all know, is the stand-up tritium tubes. Now, if you haven't seen this before, I want to show you. Now, I understand that I'm showing you a chapter ring here that's a different color because it's from a different one.
But they still stand up like that.
Right, and this is beat up because I've had it forever now. But you see how the tube is standing up here. There's it's like a candle holder, okay, with this reflective material in the candle holder here. And the tube is standing up in it. Getting back to what we were saying earlier, this is the constant illumination tube, the gas-filled tubes. What is so cool about what Vostok Europe has done here, and I haven't seen this in any other brand to date, and nobody I've talked to has told me they've seen it anywhere else. What's so cool about this system is usually the tubes lay flat, so you're covering up about half of the luminous space on the tube when it's laying flat on the dial. This way, by having it vertical, in the candle holder, you're getting 360-degree illumination of the tube, and then it's reflecting against that reflective material inside the candle holder. So you're getting the maximum possible illumination that you can get out of any single tube with the way that Vostok Europe has set it up.
And those tubes last for a long time, too.
Oh,
right?
yes, yeah. Up to 25 years, guaranteed for 10. And then you saw that the subdials on this are actually luminous material as well. This is just such a cool timepiece. It's a 300-meter, I believe, 300-meter water-resistant timepiece. You've got the multi-layered dial. It has the helium release valve. This is a serious timepiece.
It's right there's the helium release valve.
Yeah, an automatic helium release valve. You don't have to do anything. It takes care of it itself.
Yeah.
The limited edition number is actually on the case side of the case on this watch.
Is it there?
Which, for those of you who aren't familiar, that adds value as well because it is much more serious production-wise to put the limited edition number etched on every case as opposed to the case back. Because you can stamp out those case backs and put them on a lot easier than you can to actually etch each individual timepiece. So this is just, I personally like the color combination and style on that execution.
Yeah, it's very nice, and that leather strap is the best.
Fantastic.
Just is the best. In my horology research, I've only come across 2 dials that